video, we're going to be showing you how to make a chick nursery, also known as a chick corral. Last winter, we found ours on clearance for just a few dollars, but we will show you how to make it even for less.
Hi everyone, so today one of our chicks in the incubator hatched and we need to find somewhere to put it. We're in the mudroom because it's closest to the garage and we need to find somewhere so that they can be safe and warm before we can move them to the brooder. What we need is
we need some shavings so that they have a nice place to lay. We need some food and water, but you need to make sure that you have a thin bowl so that since they can't exactly lift themselves, if they fall, they will drown in the water, so it needs to be very thin so that they don't drown. We need some food, we need a heat lamp and a bulb, and we have a chicken corral.
So what comes in our chick corral is 6 of these, the panels.
Pause. Don't rush out to the store to buy some of these sheets. You can just use old garage sale signs or real estate signs. But hang on, what was that? Rewind. What are you doing?
Look, KK, it's my video.
So what comes in our chick corral is 6 of these, the panels, these rings which are going to hold the panels together through these holes, this which is going to come together and hold the heat lamp up, some zip ties, this is for the PVC pipes, and it doesn't have a bottom, so we're going to be using cardboard because honestly, do you really want shavings on your floor?
You can make the corral 2 ways. You can either make it a hexagon or a rectangle. We decided that since our mudroom is pretty narrow, we're going to do a rectangle so that we have more room when we come in.
Aww, now KK's taking over. In this step, Trie and KK are tying the panels together with the zip ties. Lots of time, right? Alright, it's starting to look good. Well, while the big girls are playing with cardboard, I made the PVC. In this step, KK is gonna use zip ties to tie the PVC in the plastic wall. So when you put your shavings in, you have to split it out, like as you can see.
Now for the feed and water.
Now you put your heat lamp in.
Ta-da!
And that's the corral. They have food, water, heat, and shavings for bedding. We'll keep them in this until they start to get feathers, so that then we'll move them into KK's brooder in the back. For the brooder video, you can click right here in this link.
And then they go into the chicken tractor. If you would like to see my sister's chicken tractor, click here too.
That's it.
After about a week, we found that the box that was acting like a floor was not a good idea. So with the new problem, we found that making the pen smaller and using one of the plastic sheets as a floor, then using duct tape to fix the up so the savings shall get out no more. It was a great solution. Look at this cute guy. Hi everybody. I'd like to thank you for liking me and my sisters, but not really my sisters. I'm your favorite, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Again, thanks. Remember, stay home, stay safe, save lives. Thank you. Bye-bye.